Hi guys and girls, this is just a video on how to use the login system or the registration and scheduling system for the Monday, Wednesday, Friday tennis league at our Landings Club. And this is just hopefully this video will get you started. Anyways, the first thing you do, this is a web application. And as any web application, we have to navigate to our website. So we type in mylrc.club into our navigation bar in the browser of our choice. And this can be Safari, it can be Chrome, or I guess it can even be IE. Now, and of course, it can run on your browser on your phone or Windows or Mac, whatever. So we navigate to our mylrc.club website, and you say, well, and the first thing you're going to see, if this is sometimes a little slow starting up, sorry, but I'm not paying for the most robust service on the shared host. Anyways, and the first thing you see is this login page. Now, but the first step, if you're a new user, the first thing you need to do, you got to register, and we have to register because we have to know who you are. So from that, and you only register once, and you're going to supply here your user ID, which is the name you want to be known by. In this case, my name was Jay McFett, and then I give my full name, John McFettridge. My email, and the email is important. It's got to be one of the email that you're known to the club by, because we don't just want anybody walking up to this, navigating to this website and registering. We only want members of the club, and then we put in their phone number and a password, which must be 6 characters. And now I think this is pretty standard. You guys should be used to this because there's a gazillion places that you need to register. Anyways, we go back, and now typically after you do this, you only do that once. So now we've done that. From now on, I'm going to log in as me and Jay McFett, and I'm going to put in my password, and I'm going to log in. Now you got 3 options here. This I'm going to schedule. First of all, I want to schedule matches for October, so I click on the first one. Now this is just a calendar view, and these little gray dots, if you look down here at my symbol, the symbol says the gray is unavailable, and the green that you are, and the yellow that you're a sub. So initially I set all these the possible dates to not available. Now if you don't like that choice, just go up here and set all days to, and if I hit the green one, they become all available. Now it knows it's green, so my choices are, so I changed it back to yellow. Now in October, I'm actually not going to be there much, so I'm going to go in here and say I am available on the 25th, and maybe the 29th. I'm available. So now, the whole month I'm not available except for those 2 green days. And green says go, I'm available. And then you hit the save changes. And now these get saved to our database. Now, if later on in the month I discover, oh, I'm going to make, want to make some changes to that. Now I go back in, and I would have had to log back in, but I'm skipping that step. And then I can go in and say, oh, for some reason I'm not available here, and I change this back to, oh, but I might be, so I make myself a sub. And I'll also make myself a sub here. And then I save these changes, and that becomes my schedule for October. Now, if I go back here again, I can view the schedule now. Because of this is I'm still in September. It'll say show my schedule for September. Now I'm not around, so I didn't have any matches or August, but I did have some back in July. and I think I had some in June and maybe May. And so I can go back and see what I put. And if I click on here, I will see what the matches are and the phone numbers. And if I happen to be captain that day, this, instead of being gray, this would be red. So I know I had something to do. I have to book some courts. So, and there's one more option here. If we go back, that we can see the grid schedule. This is a consolidated schedule for everybody for the whole month. And it's much like the Excel spreadsheet that you were used to use. Now, I think this is pretty easy to use, and hopefully this video helps.